Hello, this is Rich with MISO BIM. This tutorial topic will cover plumbing families. This course is considered beginner level. You will learn in this course about plumbing fixtures or families and placing those plumbing fixtures. Elements in Revit are family-based and grouped in categories. In Revit, the term family describes a powerful concept used to manage data and make editing easy. Each family element can have multiple types defined within it, each with a different size, shape, material set, or other parameter variables as designed by the family creator. Even when the various types within a family look completely different, they are still related and come from a single source, thus the term family. Changes to a family type definition ripple through the project and are automatically reflected in every instance of that family or type within the project. This keeps things coordinated and saves us the time and effort of manually keeping components and schedules up to date. Plumbing fixtures are created in special family templates and are controlled by a category of the same name. The fixtures which belong to the plumbing fixtures category are exchangeable devices which can be connected to a plumbing system to deliver and drain fluids. Common plumbing fixtures placed in Revit files are faucets, toilets, urinals, taps, sinks, and baths. Others are complex piping and their connectors that are required in detailed MEP models for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. Plumbing fixtures are usually hosted components placed on vertical faces like walls, other faces, and levels, or on work planes. These are all examples of host. In Revit, a host is a geometry or plane on which a fixture or component is anchored. Because these fixtures are mostly designed to anchor a snap to a particular host, it may be impossible to place them outside these hosts. To place a plumbing fixture in a Revit project, it must first already be loaded into the project. In the desired view, click on the Architecture tab, select Component, and place a component. This tool is used to place a variety of families into a project. Usually, if you don't see a dedicated tool for a loaded element you want to insert, it's probably going to be under the Component tool. Choose the desired fixture from the list of items already loaded into the project. For example, here we'll use a faucet for a vanity cabinet. If the faucet has not been loaded in the project, you do this by clicking on Load Family under the Modify Place Component tab and load the desired fixture from a location on the PC or your network into the project. Next, place the fixture as desired and adjust the height and position as necessary. A good number of plumbing fixtures have the property of snapping to their hosts, like a wall or floor. This makes placing them into a project easy. Choose the desired fixture from the list of items already loaded into the project. So for example here, we'll use a faucet for a vanity cabinet. If the faucet was not loaded into the project, you can load it by clicking on the Load Family under the Modify Place Component tab and load the desired fixture from a location either on your PC or your network into the project. Next, place the fixture as desired and adjust the height and position as necessary. A good number of plumbing fixtures have the property of snapping to their host, like a wall or a floor. This makes placing them into a project easy. It may be necessary to rotate your object, so in this case the faucet is facing in the opposite direction to be placed on top of the sink. So to rotate that, we'll just easily hit the space bar twice and it rotates it in its proper orientation, and then you click on the screen to put it in its location. To double check to see if an item is placed at the proper height, we can open up an elevation view, zoom in on that faucet in this case, and you can see here that actually the faucet is sitting a few inches below the countertop. The countertop is set at a height of 3 feet and the faucet is set at 2'9". So to just change that, you simply go into the properties of the faucet, change the height or the offset in this case to 3 feet, and the faucet now sits on top of the countertop. Some of the tools under the Modify tab can be used with the plumbing fixtures. These can be used to copy, move, align, rotate, and mirror the fixture. Selecting a fixture placed in a view activates temporary dimensions, which are these blue dimensions that you see here when you select the fixture. These can be used to change or move the fixture to exact points in the model. This provides a quick and efficient way to accurately move a fixture. For example, if you wanted this fixture to be, let's say 3'6" from the wall, you click on the dimension, you click 3'6", and it will move the fixture to 3'6" from the wall face. The other way is if you needed to align this fixture to the center line of the sink, you click the Align tool, click the center of the sink, and then center of the faucet, and now it is aligned to the sink. For a good number of plumbing fixtures, only a few of their properties can be changed inside the project. To change the properties of a plumbing fixture, select it and click on the Properties palette. Select Edit Type and make the changes in the Type Properties window. Here, you can change mostly the fixture materials or manufacturer information. These fixtures are mostly good replicas of their real-world counterparts and are often not designed to have their size or geometry adjusted inside the project. One reason for this is probably the fact that these fixtures often come in irregular geometries, the dimensions of which cannot easily be assigned controlling labels. Hence, changes to size and geometry usually have to be made in the family editor for the particular families. That concludes our beginner course on plumbing families. Thanks for watching.